global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. Congratulations have been pouring in for a while now, ever since Mbata emerged as the Ohanaeze Ndigbo President General. There have been a lot of small controversies here and there, that there are actually two factions, but some few hours ago the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, through his media aide, congratulated Senator John Azuta Mbata as the President General for Ohanaeze Ndigbo, and trusting that he's going to steer the organization to a better unified front. While that is, being said, a lot of persons, Ikwerri people, especially the elders, the chieftains, are beginning to react, insisting really that they shouldn't be joining issues with that. In fact, that they have insisted that whoever emerges as Ohanaeze Ndigbo president as an Ikwerri son is going to be their enemy. Well, let's find out what Fubara, who happened to be the governor of River State, seemed to be at the center of all of this as well, being the fact that as the Rivers security person, chief security officer, he will determine if it is out of the way for Mbata to really be the Ohanaeze Ndigbo president general. Well, River State governor Sir Siminalayi Fubara has hailed the emergence of a former lawmaker representing Rivers East Senatorial District at the National Assembly level, that Senator John Azuta Mbata, as the President General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo worldwide. Governor Fubara said that the frontline politician's victory at the poll in Enugu on Friday is a testament to his wide acceptance across the aisles as an accomplished Nigerian whose test of character and integrity is exemplary. He said that the overwhelming votes of the delegates shows the implicit confidence of members of the socio-cultural organization in his ability to provide needed leadership to move the Ohanaeze Ndigbo forward at this time. Governor Fubara therefore extended his best wishes to Senator Mbata and expressed the hope that he will succeed as he discharges the lofty duties of furthering national cohesion and fostering friendly cooperation based on mutual trust and respect within the Igbos among non-Igbos. On behalf of the government and the good people of River State, I once again congratulate you and assure you of our readiness to work with you towards maintaining and preserving national unity and cohesion, Governor Fubara said. Now, on the other hand, the Oboko Ikwerri Cultural Organization's President General, that's PG of Oboko Ikwerri Cultural Organization, that's President Eze Gospel Onwekwa, has issued a firm statement regarding the Ikwerri people's unique ethnic identity. Long-standing concerns about the cultural history and ancestry of Ikwerri people are addressed in this declaration. Onwekwa said, who is considered an expert in the subject of the cultural identity. He considered himself as an expert, quite an elderly man, made the following statement with a strong emphasis. He said, first of all, I want to inform you that Ikwerri as an ethnic nationality is not Igbo. As arguments over ethnic classifications in Nigeria's complex cultural environment continues, this proclamation comes at a time when such conversations are still underway. Now, it was said by the cultural leader that Ikwerri nationality is never a subgroup of any ethnic nation in Nigeria or elsewhere. This statement was made in order to emphasize the independent character of the Ikwerri identity. This declaration confronts and refutes any accusations that other ethnic groups are subservient to it in a forthright manner. Now, the following is an explanation of the geographical background that Onwekwa provided. Onwekwa, he said that the Ikwerri ethnic nationality is one of the ethnic blocks that constitute the present-day Nigeria, and the people are found in 4 local government areas in the present-day Rivers State. In a statement that further reaffirms the cohesiveness of the Ikwerri people, the President General said Ikwerri continues to be a homogeneous ethnic group with a common ancestry and paternity. The proclamation highlights the different cultural and historical heritage that the Ikwerri people have inherited from their ancestors. At a time when problems of cultural autonomy and ethnic identity continues to play key roles in Nigerian social and political discourse, this comment comes at a time when these aspects are being disclosed and discussed. A great amount of clarity about the position of this large River State ethnic community within Nigeria's complex cultural mosaic has been provided by the unambiguous articulation of the Ikwerri's autonomous ethnic identity by their cultural leader. While for Fubara, he believes, congratulations are coming in. The Ikwerri national leader, the Ikwerri President General, said that Ikwerri not Igbo ethnic leader backs Wike's claim, and I even went further to say police can arrest any Ikwerri person who is, moving in for Biafra and a separatist group. In fact, they should separate themselves from anything that has to do with their peaceful people. My colleague is in the house. Fubara has already congratulated Mbata for what a wonderful move he made. And the ethnic President General, Ikwerri ethnic President General, is saying otherwise. What's your take on all of this?
Well, I think this situation and this issue may trigger something that will not be okay in future. What they're trying to do here is to preserve their heritage, and also so that in future, peradventure anything happens in terms of maybe the South is coming up with their own country, they can, secede themselves from them and, find their own enclave that's choose to belong to any way that they wish to, because they don't want a situation whereby they call them Igbos and all of that. And one of the most interesting part of this is the fact that the Ikwerris can speak Igbo language. Why is it that the Igbos can't speak Ikwerri language? Some people are of the opinion that it's a case of Igbo being a general language, generally accepted by all the tributaries of Ndigbos, you understand? But at the same time, there's still reasonable number of them, especially those who are old and who have been in this traditional thing. They believe that they are not part of the Ndigbo. So whatever that is currently going on, they are really away from it. But with what the situation we have on ground now, with Mbata coming up to vie for the position and being given the position, what is going to happen in future is with this move by them, they have been integrated into the system, and in event of any form of seceding, a part of River State will be given to the Southeast. That's just the situation on ground. But for me, it's a way of maintaining unity for everyone who has the blood, who belongs to the bloodline of the Ndigbos. And I think for most people, they are not happy that this is happening. But looking at so many things that have happened in the past, the testimony of Livington Wenche, the human rights activist, some of the things that he had said, that was that the Oba of Benin had said, these are people who are custodian of the tradition and custom of Nigerian tribes. So for the Oba of Benin to come out and say that the Ikwerri people have no part with them, but they should return back to Southeast Ndigbos, it clearly shows that there's some part of these things that are yet to be fully made open. But however, it's important for them to establish it early so that tomorrow there won't be unnecessary fight and unnecessary withdrawal here and there. That's just my position on this.
All right, that's going to wrap it up. Let's meet in our comment section. What's your take? For what Livington said, you do human rights activist. Check out